What's the meaning of calculation? Calculation. Calculation.
Calculation. Calculation. Calculation refers to the process of using mathematical operations and techniques, such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, to determine a numerical result based on given information or data. The result of a calculation can be used to solve problems or make predictions in a variety of fields, including science, engineering, finance, and economics. For example, calculations can be used to determine the trajectory of a space shuttle, calculate the interest on a loan, or derive the average temperature of a city over a year. Accurate and efficient calculations are essential for making informed decisions and advancing our understanding of the world around us.